drizzle of the rain. Like a memory it falls, soft and warm, continuing, tapping on my roof and walls. And from the shelter of my mind, through the window of my eyes, I gaze beyond the rain-drenched streets to England where my heart lies. My mind distracted and diffused, my thoughts are many miles away. They lie with you when you're asleep, and kiss you when you start today. And so you see, I've come to doubt all that I once held as true. I stand alone without beliefs. The only truth I know is you. And the song I was writing is left undone. And don't know why I spend my time writing songs I can't believe, with words but tears and strength to rhyme. As I watch the drops of rain with their weary paths and I know that I'm like the rain, there before the grace of you go.